Hey guys, my name is Steve with Pacific. I'm here with Giuliano. We just gave him and his brother the plaque here. They hit $1 million in sales for 2019. It's their first time hitting $1 million. They did really good. So, Giuliano, you've been doing irrigation, what, like 6-7 years now. You and your brother, you could do your own business. Why would you choose to go with a franchise and pay Pacific, to help you rather than go into your own thing, totally on your own?
Before we opened our franchise, we read about you guys, we looked online at all the reviews and stuff about you, and we were very impressed by it. And that was the main reason, because of the proven system from Pacific, where they handle all the phone calls, all the emails, all the complaints from the customer. Everything is handled by the team. And that would have made our job a lot easier. And that's the reason why we chose you guys. And it worked actually pretty good, because we started 5 years ago. The first year, it was tough as always to start with. We made $500,000, which is not...
It's still a lot of money.
It sounds like a lot of money, but in 5 years, we doubled that amount. So that's the first year we reached over $1 million. And it was really good, we were focused on the work on the field, where the Pacific team handled the rest. Phone calls, emails, complaints, everything.
Cool.
And thanks to you guys.
Great, man. How many trucks are you running?
Well, we started with 2 initially, and then this year we added a 3rd truck, which also made it show the profit as well.
So 1 install truck, right? And then 2 service. 2
service trucks.
Okay,
yes.
Cool. And then they're busy guys, so they hit $1 million. So congratulations, you did good. And next year we'll go for 1.5. All right.
Hope so.
Thank you.
As aim.